the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Hi nail fam, I hope that you are well. So I do have this package here from this brand called MEFA. This is their solid cream gel polish set. And I'm very excited for this package. I think the packaging, the exterior packaging, I think is very nice. Just looking at the ingredients here, there is HEMA inside here. So if you do have an allergy to HEMA, this product probably would not be best suited for you. But if you are a nail artist and you love doing nail art, I feel like this is going to be the palette of your dreams because there are so many colors inside this small collection here. All right, so what I'm going to do is try to get this opened. And I was struggling just a little bit. I thought it was supposed to slide and then I couldn't quite figure out how to open it. So then I thought I had to peel the little side thing off there. But no, all I needed to do was just push it out. That's all I need to do. And ta-da! Look at how stunning. Look at this palette, guys. We have so many solid cream colors in here. We have glitters in here. There's 2 brushes. There's even a brush cleaner. And even the little protective pack, little seal paper here that I'm taking off has like their logo and stuff on it. I just felt like it was just, this would be like the perfect birthday or Christmas gift to a beginner nail artist. Like this is the palette of dreams. I'm so excited to get this, guys. Really am. You guys know that I love doing nail art, so this is going to be perfect for those of us that need to have multiple colors out, and you don't necessarily need to use gel polish. You can use something a little bit more thicker and not as runnier. So this is what the brush cleaner looks like. You can see what the ingredients is there. And then we have 2 little brushes here to the bottom, which is very nice to have. So most palettes only come with 1 brush. And those brushes can get really dirty really quickly. So I'm very happy that they have 2. And I remember someone mentioning when I did the other solid cream palette that the extend thing kind of connects to the back of the brush. So I was very happy. Someone told me that because I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, so now that we have a look at everything that's in this package, and the brush looks really good. There's some dark brown bristles, so we know that it's good quality. Now let's have a quick look, up close look at these little small solid cream. And they are really small. Yeah, you can see that they're pretty small. So you definitely don't want to use too much of this product at the same time because you'll run out very quickly. I personally think because they're such a small amount, it would be best to use these for nail art. All right. Now let's have a closer look at all of the beautiful colors in this palette. Okay, so I am just going to swatch 2 colors. I'm going to swatch a solid color and I'm going to swatch a glitter because these are already small and I'm not about to waste any of these gel polishes swatching them 10,000 times. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you see what the consistency is using 1 coat. And then I will do 2 coats so that you can see what the difference is. And they are going on really smoothly. The thing I love the most about solid gels is that they just don't move. Wherever you put them is exactly where they stay. And you can see that the glitter, they will go on initially. I think they will go on very a little bit translucent. And then you can build it up. So 2, 3, 4 layers you're looking at to build up that opacity. So here you go. That's what the glitter is looking like. Right, so now let's dip into a solid color to see how they apply. And bear in mind, usually you would have already buffed and applied some base gel to this nail before you apply the solid gels. And because I'm applying this directly onto a plastic swatch stick, I haven't done any prep, there is going to be a little bit of issues with the consistency. But, I'm not going to waste the base gel or anything like that. It's just for demo. So as you can see, this is going on really smooth. Not having any major issues applying this to this swatch stick. All right, so I have now applied a second layer, and as you can see, the opacity and the coverage is starting to build up. Instead of being very jelly or translucent, we're now getting closer to being very opaque. So you can definitely build up the coverage of these gels and even the glitters as well. Remember when we first applied this glitter, you didn't really see much of the purple, but as you go in with another additional layer, the colors are starting to come through. So absolutely loved this palette. Here is a final view after they have been cured under the UV lamp. All right. So now we are going to get into the nail design. I've already applied my 3XL squares. I'm now going to go in with a thin layer of base gel and some gel polish. And I'm actually going to be recreating a set that I did when I first started my nail channel many months back last year, I think. It was a side French butterfly set. One of my first sets that I did that I thought was like, you know, really cute, really nice. So I'm going to be recreating that today. I'm going to be using some glitter gel polish from Madame Glam as well as Nail Reserve as the background color. And then we're going to be using the solid creams from MEFA to create those side French. All right, so we have the glitter gel polishes on and they are so pretty. They're extra pretty inside the sun, all right? And I've cured them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now we're gonna move into the side Frenches and I'm gonna be using 5 different colors from this palette and just painting them on to the sides of the nails. Now, I'm not too sure what happened to this one. Like the consistency of this was very gooey, gummy. So I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. It did apply to the nail okay. And I absolutely loved this hot pink color. This was such a pretty color. But I just wanted to point out that this particular color did have a little bit of a different consistency than the other ones. All right, so once I have that first layer done, I do cure them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in with a second layer and give them another cure under the UV lamp. Alright, so here's how the nails are looking so far. I'm going to grab my stickers that I'm going to be applying to the nails. I'm also going to be grabbing some dotting tools and some white gel polish just to make my little stars. And then I had some flowers and charms. I kind of pull out everything and try to figure out which one I want to use, but I don't actually use everything. I did use this gel liner from Double Dip just to add a little extra bling to the side fringe, and then I have these rhinestones here that I wanted to add to the nail just to give it a little bit of, you know, extraness. So I'm gonna do my little 4-point stars. I'm gonna take my dotting tool, put my dot down onto the nail. I'm gonna take a liner brush and we're just gonna draw the little 4 points of the star onto the nail. Once I have all my stars drawn and I have all my stickers on, I'm now going to go in with my top gel and I'm just going to add just a few little rhinestones in different colors onto the nails. Alright, the nails are now done. I've recreated the nail set that I did. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and fun tutorial. If you are interested, please be sure to check the description box down below for details on how you can get this set. I'll see you guys in the next one.